Dun, 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 dun. Now I get a very new projectors. Look at the box. It's very cute and mini, right? Very mini box. Look at the picture of this projector. It looks like the middle size, right? It has the data so in the projectors box, color box, and here it has the LED projectors and supports 1080p. Let me open it, see what's inside. Okay, open it. Here. Oh, it has a front protected projectors. So after I turn it on, it have a user menu, remote control. Here, oh, this is the DC power cable. So, okay, this is the projectors. Oh, it's very mini, I see. Let me open it and check the real projector looks like. Wow, super mini. I like this size. I can hold it by my one hand and looks just as mini as my hand. Okay, look at the design. The front, you can see it has the design. It's very good design. How do you think? And this is the top page. Only has few buttons. Looks very simple. And check the back design. Oh, here has two ports, one USB and one HDMI port. Oh, here has a head drive port. Okay, check the side. Here is a DC port, and the other side. Oh, this one is adjust the focus, I guess. Yes, it is adjust the focus. Oh my God, look at the design. Look at the size. It's very cute. I like it. Do you like that? This is the ANSI, the most cheapest ANSI system, 720 pixel projectors. But it only have about 60 ANSI lumen brightness. So here, let's check what it have. Go to the settings, and here you can connect to the network and choose the language you have. And for now, I was testing under the lights on. So also you can check your remote control here. Click here. You can see settings is on the right side, and here you can control sounds, apps. You are wondering where is the keystone. So here it's the electronic keystone. It has you can control it like this, or return it, and press the menu. This one is the menu to back to the original. Yes. Okay, let's place them. And here has the 4-point corrections. Have many things. Okay, and here is the language. You can change it to any words like Chinese, English, as you like. Okay, let's back to the home page. This is the home page. You can see, because it is the ANSI system, so it has many apps and movies recommended in the first page. Let's play something. Okay, play it.
贝壳 V3 小甜心，无边的柔软，没有痕迹。
And the lights on, it looks like not so brightness, and it is not so good. Let me turn off the light. It is very good performance when you play on the that's all. That's area.